Hey everyone, if you want to connect external apps or custom systems to Zapier, webhooks are the way to do it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect and use webhooks in Zapier step by step. First, sign in to your Zapier account and open the Zap you want to work on. Make sure you already have a trigger or action set up before adding a webhook step. Next, click the plus button and search for webhooks by Zapier, then select it from the list. Now choose the event you want to use. For example, you can use catch hook to receive data or post to webhook to send data to another system. If you're receiving data, select catch hook and copy the generated webhook URL. Then paste that URL into the external app where you want to send data from. After that, send a test request from your external system so Zapier can capture sample data. Once the data is received, you can map it to your next action steps. So if you're sending data instead, choose post or get, then enter the target URL and configure the payload or parameters you want to send. Finally, test your webhook step to make sure everything is working correctly, then save your Zap and turn it on. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully connected webhooks in Zapier. Now you can integrate almost any app or system with Zapier, even if it doesn't have a native integration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.